The Panasonic S1 and S1R have function keys and a function switch on the front, and you can customize the behavior of these buttons and that switch. Let's go into the camera's menu and walk through setting them up. Under the camera's menu, there's a cog or gear, that's that tab there. Operation 1 is this dial here. We're going to first go through function button set. So you have options of customizing the function buttons when you're taking pictures, that's what record mode means, or when you're playing back pictures. For this video, we're just going to go through the record or taking pictures customizations. At the top of the camera, we have different function keys that are already pre-programmed as an exposure control, ISO, or white balance, and they're already labeled as such. You have 3 different pages of function keys that can be programmed, including function keys on the front. To make an adjustment, simply select what you'd like to program. In this case, we'll choose the LVF button on the side of the camera. And from here, you can select virtually any function that's in the camera to change its assignment to. We also have a function lever on the front of the camera that, in this instance, when we turn it on, it puts the camera into silent mode. You can customize that with the function lever setting. In this case, it's programmed to silent mode. And again, you have 4 pages that you can choose to customize that. We're going to go ahead and put this into night mode, which turns our screen red. And I'll turn the function off. In addition, you can have that mode switch set so that it alters the behavior of the switch. And that's how you customize the function buttons and function lever in the S1 and S1R.